Dear friends, good afternoon. Your guide and friend advocate Amit Gupta. As you all know that I am committed to make the videos on the topic of the GST so that it become useful for the law students and for the legal professionals who deals in the GST. Today's my topic is section 71 which says as access to business premises. Section 71 of the GST Act says access to the business premises. Who can access the business premises of a registered user, registered person? Any officer under this act authorized by the proper officer we have discussed in section 67, not below the rank of joint commissioner, shall have access to any place of business of a registered person to inspect books of accounts, documents, computers, computer programs, computer software, whether installed in a computer or otherwise, and such other things as he may require and which may be available at such place for the purpose of carrying out any audit, scrutiny, verification, and checks as may be necessary to safeguard the interest of the revenue. The objective is to safeguard the interest of the revenue. Subsection 2 says every person in charge of place referred to in subsection 1 shall on demand make available to the officer authorized under subsection 1 or the audit party deputed by the proper officer or a cost accountant or a chartered accountant nominated under section 66. Now there are 6 subsections of subsection 2 that says such records as prepared or maintained by the registered person and declared to the proper officer in such manner as may be prescribed, trial balance or its equivalent, statements of annual financial accounts duly audited whether required, cost audit report if any under section 148 of the Companies Act 2013, the income tax audit report if any under section 44EB of the Income Tax Act 1961 and any other relevant documents. So what we have studied that any proper officer if demand, first of all he has a power to access the business premises of a registered person, and if he requires any information relating to the trial balance, books of accounts, balance sheet, tax audit report, computer program, computer software, whatever it is, the registered person cannot object his demand. He has to supply every relevant information to the officer in charge who has came to the premises with an approval with an authority letter. So I hope that you find my video beneficial and request you to kindly like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thanks for today. Regards.